It's walking. This is a cute little kitten. She was alone, all alone under the tree. So this is Chinky, our dog. She seems very inquisitive. Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy or girl?
Daniel had gone to the police station and then he had parked the car outside the station, and I was sitting in the car, and that's when I heard a little kitten doing meow. So it quite disturbed me a lot. So I sent someone to look for the kitten, and he said, yes, there is a kitten under the tree by the roadside. So he went to grab the kitten, but the kitten was very adventurous. The kitten would run away. So then, since we waited there for over half an hour, that's when I saw the kitten was becoming a little notorious and adventurous. So it came out from under the tree. So that's when I saw these two men. They were like, "Hi, there is a kitten there. Shall we get it?" So the other guy was suggesting that guy that this is not the right time to take the kitten home. So and then they left and they were just hanging around near the tree. So when we finally got hold of the kitten, so we asked around, like, are you the owner of the cat? And they were like, no, the cat has been lying here since yesterday and she looks quite well fed. That's what they said. And they said like there was no mother. She was lonely. Now you have us, right? This is a very cute kitty cat. And she's going to grow very strong, and tomorrow or later in the night we will make sure you have a name.
Listen, this is your new home for today. Tomorrow we go look for your mother. Okay?